Hello everyone. Today we are going to see very interesting topic of mathematics, that is called as multiplication. So we all know how to do the multiplication. So आज हम क्या सीखने वाले हैं? How we can reduce the time of multiplication. Okay. So for that we are going to use a standard, simple, very simple method. Okay. And जो भी अपन मेथड देखने वाले हैं, इस मेथड का कुछ भी लिमिटेशन नहीं है, मतलब कुछ भी क्राइटेरिया नहीं है कि ऐसा कुछ क्राइटेरिया नहीं है कि नंबर के लास्ट में 1 आना चाहिए या नंबर के लास्ट में 0 आना चाहिए या नंबर को 1000 से कम होना चाहिए या 100 से कम होना चाहिए. सो किसी भी टाइप के नंबर पे, कैसे भी नंबर पे यू कैन अप्लाई दिस पर्टिकुलर मेथड. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 2 डिजिट्स, 3 डिजिट्स एंड एज वेल एज 4 डिजिट्स. सो कितने भी डिजिट्स हो, सारा कैसा भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन, कितने भी डिजिट्स हो, हर एक टाइप के डिजिट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इस मेथड से आप कर सकते हैं इन अ सिंगल स्टेप. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल स्टार्ट विथ 2 डिजिट. सो लेट्स say these are the 2 digits number. This multiplication is very important for any examination actually. कुछ भी आप एग्जामिनेशन दो, हर एग्जामिनेशन में आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशंस के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने ही पड़ते हैं. कुछ भी डेरिवेशन करो, कुछ भी न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करो, यू हैव टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. बट ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि हर बार आपके पास कैलकुलेटर्स अवेलेबल रहेंगे. अगर किसी एग्जाम में कैलकुलेटर अलाउड नहीं है, सो दिस मेथड विल हेल्प यू टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम इन अ फास्टर मैनर. Yeah, so let's see the 2 digit multiplication. So let's say our digits are 64 and 38 is my 2 digit for which I need to find out the multiplication. Okay, so for finding out the multiplication we'll use a simple method. First of all we'll multiply this ones number, this 8 into 4. So first step is what? You will multiply the number which is at वंस प्लेस, दैट इज इकाई के अंकों के दोनों नंबर्स का आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सेकेंड स्टेप पे एक इकाई का अंक, एक दहाई का अंक, एंड सिमिलरली इधर से एक इकाई का अंक और एक दहाई का अंक, इन दोनों डिजिट्स का आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. एंड थर्ड स्टेप पे अगेन दोनों दहाई के अंकों का आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. लास्ट के दोनों अंकों का आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस. कैसे करते हैं, कैसे फॉलो करना है स्टेप. So this is your step number 1, जिसमें आपको क्या करना है, दोनों इकाई की या दोनों वंस नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. That is 8 into 4 is what? 32. So value is 2 here, remaining is 3. Okay. Next is step number 2. You have to cross multiply. Means what? You have to multiply this 6 and 8 plus 4 and 3. So 8 into 6 is 48, and this 4 into 3 is 12. Total is 60 plus this 3 is 63, balance is 6 we have. Okay, next is you have to multiply this one. Last step, the last step is you have to multiply this last 2 digits, that is 6 into 3. The 6 into 3 is 18 plus balance, that is equals to 24. So this 2432 is my required answer for this particular multiplication. Okay, so number of digits for 2 and total number of steps we have used as 3. Okay, so based on this we can prepare one formula for number of steps. If n is number of digits, that is equals to 2, and let's say capital N is the number of steps. So at capital N formula, this is 2, so this is 3. So can I say this is 2n minus 1. So this is the formula for number of steps. Okay, if your digits will be 3, you have to put 3 here, and 3 into 2 is 6, minus 1 is 5. So there will be 5 steps in for 3 digit problem. So we will see the 3 digit now. So now we will see the multiplication of 3 digits. Okay, so let's say the 3 digit multiplication. So if the digits are 3, so this n will become 3 now. So if this n is 3, total number of steps will be, if you put in this formula, total number of steps will be 5. Let's take any digit, any 3 digit number. So let's say we have digits called 4, 6, 3, 9, 3, 2. These are the 3 digits we have. We need to multiply these 3 digits. Okay, so first step, is what same steps will perform. We'll multiply the ones number. So step number 1 is this one. Okay. Step number 2 is you have to multiply these two numbers. So step number 2 will be this 2 cross. Okay. And this is a third digit now. So you have to accumulate all 3 digits. No? So third step is what? You have to multiply in this manner. And fourth step, again you have to multiply this 2 and again you have to multiply this one. Okay. So these are the 5 steps we are going to follow. Let's see this one. कैसे perform करना है अपने को. So step number 1 is what? You have to multiply this 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. No balance we have. Don't worry about it. Write down directly 6. Next step is we have to multiply 1 cross. So this 6 into 2 and 3 into 3 you have to do. 6 into 2 is 12. 3 into 3 is 9. So 12 plus 9 is 21. So 1 is the balance here and 1 is the value and 2 is the balance value here. So here I have written 2 balance and 1 is the value. Okay, next this 3 step you have to do means what? 4 into 2, this is the 1 step. 3 into 9 second step and this is 6 into 3 is third one. So this is 8. 27 plus 8 is 35. 35 plus this 18. 35 plus 18 will be 53 plus this 2. That will be 55. So 55 is there. So this is 5 remaining. 5 is there and 5 is remaining. And next step is again you have to do, this was the fourth step, third one and this was second one. So fourth step is you have to multiply this 4 into 3 and 6 into 9. So let's remove this part. So this is 4 into 3 now and 6 into 9. So 12, not 54 it is. This is 54 and this is 12. Total is 66 and plus 5 here. So total will be 71. So 1 is there and 7 is your remaining term. Okay. Next is 4 into 6, fifth step. Last multiply करना है आपको. So 4 into 9, that is 36, and 36 plus this 7, that is equals to 43. So that's 43 you can write down. Okay, so this 431516 will be your final answer of this multiplication. So you can see कितना easy एक ही step पे अपन ने पूरा answer निकाल लिया. So ये problem थोड़ा सा practice करने के बाद this will not take even 1 minute. 30 सेकंड से लेके 35 सेकंड के बीच में आप ये आंसर निकाल सकते हैं एक ही step. Okay, now we'll solve the same problem, same with the 4 digits also. Same method we are going to use for 4 digit multiplication also. So now we'll solve the same problem for same method we are going to use for 4 digits. Okay, so now the problem will be of 4 digits. Okay, so n will be 4 here if number of digits are 4. So capital N, the total number of steps will be 7 now. So now it's a big problem, but still जो आपका conventional method था उससे काफी कम टाइम लगेगा आपको, उससे काफी कम एफर्ट्स भी लगेंगे. Okay, let's take any 4 digits. I'll take little bit small numbers, so अपन यहाँ पे थोड़ा फास्ट कर सकते हैं. So let's take digits as 2, 1, 3, 5 here, and let's say another digit is 4, 2, 3, 2. So a bit small numbers I have taken. You can take any number, हर एक number के लिए you get same method only. Okay, so these are the digits we have. Okay, total number of steps are now total 7 steps are there. So first step क्या होता है हमेशा दोनों इकाई के numbers को multiply करना है. So 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is what? 10. So it's 10. 0 आ गया. Balance कितना है आपका? 1. Second step क्या रहेगा? You have to multiply these two numbers. This 3 into 2 and 5 into 3. So 3 दूनी 6 and 5 दिया 15. 21 is the value and plus 1. That will be 22 and balance is again 2. Okay. Now you have to do the third step. 2 step cover कर लिया अपन ने. Third step क्या आएगा आपके पास? You have to do this one. So this cross you have to do and plus addition this one. This what? This 2 into 1 2. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 is 21 plus this 2. 23 it is. So 23 plus balance is 2 now. Okay, so third step we have done. In fourth step what you have to do? अभी फोर्थ स्टेप में क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to accumulate all four numbers. अभी तक 3 नंबर तक accumulate किया अपन ने. Now accumulate क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to include this fourth number also. So उसके लिए स्टेप थोड़ा सा बड़ा बनेगा. This is one cross multiplication and this will be the second cross multiplication. Means what? You have to multiply this 2 into 2, 5 into 4, and this 3 into 1, and this 3 into this 4 multiplication you have to do. So this 2 into 2 is 4, is 20, 20 plus 4 is 24, plus 3 into 1, 3, 24 plus 3, 27, plus 6. 27 plus 6 is 33, 33 plus remaining was 2, that is 35. Again balance is 3 now. So fourth step we have done. In fifth step again you have to do this trio, this 3 multiplication you have to do. Which what? Last के तीनों डिजिट को multiplication करना है. Last के तीनों डिजिट को multiplication करने तो क्या आएगा आपके पास? You have to multiply this 2 into 3, that is 6, plus 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, plus this 2, 20, plus 3, that is 23, balance is again 2. Okay, next is स्टेप 5 में डन. स्टेप 6 में क्या करना पड़ेगा? अगेन आपको सिर्फ 2 डिजिट्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, दैट इज 2 into 2 into 4 into 1. 2 into 2 is 4 and this is also 4. 4 plus 2 is 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Balance is 1. In last step only single vertical multiplication, that is 4 into 2. Okay, so 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this 9035 320 is nothing but the multiplication of these 4 digits. Okay, थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बढ़ता है 4 डिजिट के लिए जब अपन चारों नंबर्स को इंक्लूड करते हैं तो, बट दैट इज आल्सो इजी टास्क एज कंपेयर टू अगर आपको 4 स्टेप पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ता है इसका. Okay, so this method is very helpful for speeding up the multiplication technique. So I hope entire method is clear to you. So if you have liked this particular method, just subscribe to our channel. So in this channel, in this lecture series, I am going to solve some more. I am going to bring you some more easy tricks for calculating the square, for calculating the square roots, and many more. Okay, so that will definitely aid your multiplication. That will definitely aid your calculation. That will make you faster in calculating the things. Okay. So thank you very much.